The Ignatz Flying Pendulum Clock is a rad timepiece, often referred to as the craziest clock in the world. It was invented in 1883 by Adler Clausen and J.C. Slafter. The clock is named after Ignatz, a character from the comic strip Krazy Kat. These clocks use a unique flying pendulum escapement mechanism. They have a ball that swings back and forth, wrapping itself around one brass post and then unwinding before repeating the process on the opposite post.